Imagine an oil that could ease your arthritis pain, improve digestion, and even boost your immune system. That's right. Today we're talking about castor oil. Castor oil has been used for centuries, dating back to ancient Egypt, where it was revered for its healing properties. They used it for everything from soothing skin ailments to fueling lamps. This ancient remedy has stood the test of time, making its way into modern medicine cabinets around the world. But how does castor oil work? The secret lies in its unique composition. Extracted from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant, castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, a powerful anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial agent. When applied to the skin or ingested in small amounts, it can provide a wide range of health benefits. In this video, we'll explore castor oil's benefits, common myths, misconceptions, and precautions. So, let's begin and explore 6 incredible ways castor oil can improve your health. First up, relief from arthritis pain. Arthritis is a common issue, especially among people over 50. The pain and stiffness can be debilitating, making everyday tasks difficult. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce pain and swelling when applied to the affected areas. Massage a few drops of castor oil into your joints daily, and you might find yourself moving more freely without the constant ache. Some people have even reported significant improvement in their arthritis symptoms after just a few weeks of regular use. Imagine reclaiming your mobility and enjoying life's activities without the nagging pain. Next, let's talk about digestive health. Have you ever struggled with constipation or other digestive issues? Castor oil works as a natural laxative, stimulating the intestines and helping to ease bowel movements. It's been used for centuries to treat constipation, and just a teaspoon can make a big difference. However, it's important to use it sparingly, as too much can lead to diarrhea. If you've tried other remedies without success, castor oil might be worth a try. It's a natural, gentle way to get things moving again. Plus, it can soothe the intestinal lining and reduce inflammation, promoting overall digestive health. Moving on to skin health, castor oil is a fantastic moisturizer. It penetrates deep into the skin, helping to reduce wrinkles and keep your skin looking youthful. Its antibacterial properties also make it great for treating acne. By reducing inflammation and killing bacteria, castor oil can help clear up your skin and give you a healthy glow. Simply apply a small amount to your face before bed, and you'll wake up with softer, smoother skin. Some people even use castor oil to fade scars and stretch marks. Its ability to promote collagen production can help improve the appearance of these skin imperfections over time. Imagine waking up each day with clearer, more radiant skin. Did you know that castor oil can boost your immune system? The fatty acids in castor oil increase the production of lymphocytes, which are crucial for fighting off infections. A stronger immune system means fewer colds and other illnesses. Regular use of castor oil, whether applied to the skin or taken internally, can help keep your immune system in top shape. This is especially important as we age and our immune systems naturally weaken. By supporting your immune health with castor oil, you can stay healthier and more active. Think about how much more you could do with fewer sick days and a stronger defense against illnesses. Another amazing benefit is hair growth. If you're experiencing thinning hair or bald patches, massaging castor oil into your scalp can stimulate hair follicles and promote growth. It's a natural way to achieve thicker, healthier hair. The ricinoleic acid improves blood circulation to the scalp, ensuring that your hair follicles receive the nutrients they need to grow. For best results, warm the oil slightly before massaging it into your scalp. Leave it on for at least an hour, or overnight if you can, before washing it out. Over time, you'll notice stronger, shinier hair. Imagine regaining your confidence with a fuller head of hair. Lastly, for the women out there, castor oil can help alleviate menstrual pain. The anti-inflammatory properties can reduce cramps when applied to the abdomen. It's a natural alternative to over-the-counter pain relievers. Simply rub a few drops of warm castor oil onto your lower abdomen and cover with a warm cloth or heating pad for added relief. Many women find this method to be highly effective in reducing the severity of their menstrual cramps. Plus, it's a soothing, relaxing treatment that you can easily do at home. Imagine a more comfortable, less painful monthly cycle. Despite its numerous benefits, there are several myths and misconceptions about castor oil that we need to clear up. One common myth is that castor oil can cure serious diseases like cancer. While castor oil has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, there is no scientific evidence to support the claim that it can cure cancer or other severe illnesses. It's important to use castor oil as a complementary therapy rather than a cure-all. Another misconception is that castor oil is unsafe for use. While it's true that consuming large quantities can cause adverse effects like nausea or diarrhea, moderate use of castor oil is generally safe. Always follow recommended dosages and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. Some people believe that castor oil will instantly promote hair growth. While castor oil can stimulate hair follicles and improve scalp health, it's not a magical solution. Hair growth takes time and consistency. Be patient and continue using castor oil regularly for the best results. But of course, there are some precautions to consider. Castor oil can cause side effects like nausea or diarrhea if taken in large quantities. It's also important to do a patch test before applying it to your skin to avoid allergic reactions. Apply a small amount to the inside of your wrist and wait 24 hours to see if there's any reaction. If you experience redness, itching, or swelling, it's best to avoid using castor oil on your skin. Pregnant women should consult a doctor before using castor oil, as it can induce labor. While this can be beneficial at the end of pregnancy, it's not something to take lightly. Always seek medical advice before using castor oil during pregnancy. Have you or someone you know ever used castor oil? How did it work for you? Share your experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear your stories and any tips you might have for using this versatile oil. Castor oil is a versatile and powerful natural remedy with numerous health benefits. From reducing arthritis pain to promoting hair growth, it's truly a wonder oil. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more health tips and natural remedies. See you next time.